6:37 to 42. Do not judge, or you will not be judged. Do not condemn, and you will not be condemned. Forgive, and you will be forgiven. Give, and it will be given to you. A good measure, pressed down, shaken together, and running over, will be poured out into your lap. For this measure you use, it will be measured to you. He also told them this parable. Can a blind man lead a blind man? Would they not both fall into a pit? A student is not above his teacher, but everyone who is fully trained will be like his teacher. Why do you look at the speck at your brother's eye and pay no attention at the plank in your own eye? How can you say to your brother, "Brother, let me take the speck of sawdust in your eye"? How can you tell to your brother, "Brother, let me take the speck in your eyes," when you yourself fail to see the plank in your own eyes? You hypocrite! First take the plank in your own eyes, and then you will see clearly to remove the speck in your brother's eye.